morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So the topics which we have done yesterday in English, you must have understood that. Now it's time to begin with our maths class, isn't it? So my dear ones, we have done a lot of things in maths like counting we have done backward counting also, we have learnt about different concepts like top, middle, bottom, lot of spatial concepts we have done, then we have done pre-number concepts. One very important thing which I have taught you before your exams was addition. So what is the meaning of addition? Can anyone tell me? What is addition? Addition is when we are adding two groups. You remember that? The sign is plus. और जब हम दो ग्रुप्स को एक साथ ऐड करते थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिंगर्स लाइक 3 on one side and 4 on one side. So how we were adding them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have taught you like this. मैंने आपको ऐसे ही बताया था ना, addition. So today what we are going to do, addition is जब हम दो ग्रुप्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं आपस में, ठीक है? Now today we are going to begin with a new topic, with something that is also very important, and the topic is subtraction. What is the topic? Subtraction. Just say with me, subtraction. And what is the meaning of this word subtraction? Means minus, to cut out, to take away. यानी कि ऑपोजिट ऑफ एडिशन. एडिशन में हमने क्या किया था बेटा? एडिशन में हम कर रहे थे, वी वर एडिंग टू ग्रुप्स, ठीक है? 4 और 3 को हमने ऐड करा. अब हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव 4 ऑब्जेक्ट्स. अब हमने उसमें से 3 को कट करा, तो हाउ मेनी इज लेफ्ट? दैट मीन्स टेक अवे. टेक अवे का एक बहुत इजी एग्जांपल आई गिव यू. सी, यू ऑल सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे इन क्लास. आप सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एंड मम्मा गिव्स यू अ स्वीट, or you can say lot of candies or a box of sweet which you distribute. आप क्लास में अपने सब फ्रेंड्स को, क्लास में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं आप सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो. सो जब आप घर से लेके आते हो वो पैकेट पूरा फुल होता है, बट व्हेन यू आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग, जब आप वो दे देते हो सबको, तो उसमें से वो कम हो जाती है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव गिवन, टेक अवे, उसमें से हमने निकाल लिया उतना, तो जो बचा दैट इज द लेफ्ट नंबर. Clear? So the simple example if I give, if I say we have 4 toffees, you can say we have 4 candies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies है हमारे पास. अब what happened? 1 मम्मा ने खाई, 1 पापा ने खाई, 1 दीदी ने खाई. तो अब कितनी कैंडी बची हमारे पास? जब 1 मम्मा ने खा ली, 1 पापा ने खा ली, 1 दीदी ने खा ली, तो कितनी बची? We are left only with 1. टेक अवे मतलब उसमें से माइनस हो गई, उसमें से कम हो गई. सो द साइन ऑफ दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन इज दिस वन. इसको हम कहते हैं माइनस. माइनस मतलब कम करना. और जो एडिशन का साइन था, एडिशन का हम लोग ये वाला साइन यूज करते थे. ये क्या था? प्लस. प्लस मतलब उसको ऐड करना, एंड माइनस मतलब कम करना, उसमें से कट कर देना. अंडरस्टूड दैट? ओके. The very first thing you have to understand is how to speak this word. The word is subtraction. Say with me, subtraction. Subtraction is to minus something, to subtract something. And this sign we call it minus sign. इस sign का क्या नाम है? Minus. As we have plus in addition, so we have minus in subtraction. Understood? So now what we are going to do here, see, I have drawn some objects. ठीक है? एक एक बॉक्स में सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. So first we will count. Clear? उनको काउंट करेंगे and we will write that number here कि हमारे पास कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. Step by step we will learn something. Okay? So the first work is to count the objects. Let us count how many mats we have. 1, so this is 1, then we have 2, 3 and this one is 4. तो अब हमारे पास कितनी mats है? We have 4 mats. So what I'll do, I'll write 4 here. Clear all? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो अब हमारे पास कितनी कैंडीज हैं? We have 6 candies. So what I'll do, I'll write 6 here. Understood? Now moving to the next, we have candles here. So let us count how many candles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So total कितनी candles हो गई? We have 5 candles. So what I'll do, I'll write 5 here. Okay. Now let us count how many flowers we have. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write 3 flowers. Clear? अब हमने हमारे को जो objects मिले थे उन्हें count कर लिया. We have completed this work. Now the next work what we have to do is we are going to take away. Take away मतलब उसमें से ले लेंगे कितने? 1 each. सब में से हम 1 निकाल देंगे. So what we have to do? We have to minus. मैंने आपको बताया ना, take away का मतलब ले लेना. जब हम किसी बॉक्स में से किसी चीज को निकाल देते हैं तो वो माइनस हो जाएगी. So what is the sign of our subtraction? The minus sign. What we are going to do? We'll put minus. माइनस का साइन लगाया. अब हमें माइनस कितना करना है? 1. So in all these we are going to minus 1 object. हम सब में से एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे. So we'll write 1 here. Clear? अब हमें सम मिल गए. Now see carefully. जैसे हमारे पास प्लस में होते थे, 2 ग्रुप्स आ गए. हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हो गए हमारे पास. 1 is 4 and the other one is 1. एक नंबर क्या है? 4 है और दूसरा नंबर क्या है? 1. सेम इसी तरह जब हम एडिशन करते थे हमें 2 डिजिट्स होती थी जिनको हम प्लस करते थे. अब what we have to do? We are going to minus these 2 digits. Clear? और माइनस करते हैं जब भी हम माइनस का सम करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्शन का कोई भी सम करते हैं, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज जो बिग वाला नंबर होता है वो हमेशा ऊपर आएगा, वो पहले लिखा जाएगा. क्लियर? सो -1. अब माइनस हम कैसे करेंगे? हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रॉस लगा देंगे. क्लियर? क्रॉस का मतलब वो चला गया, अब वो हमारे पास नहीं है. हाउ? लाइक दिस. We have put a cross. I'll use a different color one. See? So this is the blue one I'm using. ये blue color से I have put a cross here. अब ये cross हो गया. Now अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to count again कि अब हमारे पास कितने हैं. जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा कोई ले गया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास 4 मैट्स थे, एक मैट मैम ने ले लिया आपसे. Now you have to tell me आपके पास कितने मैट्स बचे. So we'll count 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? अब हमारा आंसर क्या आया? 3 here. So our answer is 3. Now again, how to check our answer? तो टोटल नंबर हमारे पास क्या था? टोटल नंबर कितने मैट्स थे? 4 मैट्स. So 1, 2, 3, 4. हमने 4 फिंगर्स ओपन करी. अब हमारा कितने मैट कम हो गए? 1 मैट. We'll close 1 finger. माइनस मतलब क्लोज कर दिया. अब कितने मैट बच गए हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is correct. Understood how you have to do this work? The only thing you have to remember, प्लस में हम ऐड करते हैं, दोनों नंबर्स को हम ऐड करते हैं. That is प्लस. जब हमें माइनस दिया जाता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन दिया जाता है, आपको ये साइन का ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे आपको माइनस का साइन दिया है या प्लस का साइन दिया है. क्लियर? तो जो भी साइन आपको दिया जाता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हमें काम करना है. माइनस है तो वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस वर्क, हमें उसमें से कट करना है. अगर प्लस है तो हम दोनों नंबर्स को इकट्ठा करके काउंट करें. अंडरस्टूड दैट? ओके. सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट इज वी वर हैविंग 6 टॉफीज. How many we were having? 6. अब 6 में से क्या करना है? Again minus. So we are going to put this minus sign. Subtraction sign minus sign है, तो हमने यहाँ पे sign लगाया. How many we are going to minus? 1 again. ठीक है? So I'll write 1 here. and now you have to tell me what is the answer. See, again what we'll do, we'll cross 1. Can you see this cross mark? अब हमने क्रॉस कर दिया, मतलब अब ये हमारे पास नहीं है, वी आर नॉट हैविंग दिस. अब इसके अलावा द रेस्ट वी हैव टू काउंट कि अब हमारे पास कितनी बची है, ऑल अदर. सो हाउ, 1 2 3 4 5. So how many are left with us? 5. So what we'll do, we'll write 5 here. Understood? Again the same way to check your answer. First, क्या नंबर दिया हुआ है? What is the number we are having? 6. So we are going to count 6 on our fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the 6 we have. Now again कितना कट हो गया? How many we have to close? 1. So I'll close this one finger. Now I have to count them. 1 2 3 4 5. So our answer is correct again. Understood? आप अपना वो खुद कर रहे हैं and you are checking it yourself. This is the fun of maths. Understood? Now moving to the next one. So we have how many candles? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 candles we have. Again we are going to minus. Okay, now let us see if we minus 2 candles. So I'll write 2 here. And now you have to tell me how many are left. तो अब हमें कितनी क्रॉस करनी है, टेल मी. जब हमें 2 हटाना है, 2 माइनस करना है, तो how many candles should I cross? 2 candles? Okay. So what we are going to do, I'll cross 2 candles here. 1, then this is 2. हमने 2 candles को क्या किया? क्रॉस कर दिया. Now we are going to count how many candles we have. So let us see. 1 2 3. So what is the answer we have? We got the answer 3 here. So how to check it? Again, so total number we were having was 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many to be cut out? 2. Then we'll do 1 2. 2 हमने क्रॉस कर दिए. Now count 1 2 3. So our answer is 3. Okay. So next we have is flowers. So we were having 3 flowers. Now in this, if I minus 1, so how many will be there? Come on, tell me. Hurry up, juggle up on your fingers fast. So we have 1 2 3. 3 flowers. Come on, count fast. 1 to be cut out. So this is the one I'm going to cut here. Now tell me how many are left? We are left with 2. Yes. So I'll write 2 here. Okay. So now just check it whether the answer is correct or not. All of you check yourself. Open 3 fingers. Done. After opening 3 fingers, you have to close how many? Because 1 is cut. 1 उसमें से minus हो गया है. So you have to close your 1 finger. सबकी 1 finger close हो गई. Now count कि आपकी कितनी fingers open हैं. So your answer is 2. आपकी सबकी 2 fingers open है. Great. So this is how we do subtraction. Addition और subtraction का आपको difference clear हो गया. Addition होता है when we are adding 2 things. जब हम 4 को और 3 को add कर रहे हैं, that is called addition. जब हम 4 में से 3 को cut कर रहे हैं, that is called subtraction. Understood, class? I hope. Don't worry, we are going to practice it for another 2-3 more times. So first you need to understand the word that is subtraction. Sign is minus and the meaning is to take away. Take away मतलब उसमें से निकाल लेना. Minus करना उसमें से हटा देना. Understood? Okay. Moving towards today's book work. When you will do this work yourself in book na, you will able to understand it. ठीक है? So today's book work to be done on page number 130. I'll write book page number 130 is your classwork. 131 and 132 is your homework. So they are very easy. When you will open and see, you will understand. I'll also show you how you are going to do this work in book. Clear? So let us see how to do the work. Okay? So class, just see, open your maths book on page number 130 as I told you, and when you will open it, you will find your topic subtraction. Can you see here? The topic is subtraction and the meaning is take away as I told you. So now listen carefully and see. Cross out one picture in each set. आपको जो ये पिक्चर्स के सेट दिए हुए हैं इसमें से हमें क्या करना है? We are going to cross one in each. Okay. Count and write how many pictures are left. One example is done for you. Now see here. See, we have candles here. तो हमें इन्होंने क्या बोला है? We have to cut only one picture every time. सब सेट्स में हमें कितनी पिक्चर्स को कट करना है? One. Okay. So here they have given us candles. एक को कट कर दिया. अब what you have to do? You are going to count कि कितनी बची हैं. Like 1, 2, 3. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा? We have written 3 here. Now moving to the next we have is a dice. Dice है हमारे पास. So how many dice we have here? We have only one dice, and if we put a cross here, हमने इस dice को क्या किया? Cross कर दिया. Now how many are left? कुछ भी नहीं बचा. So I have told you when there is nothing, what we write? We write 0. Yes. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 0 in this box like this. Understood? Okay. Next we have is burgers. So can you see all these burgers here? So let us first cut one burger. They have told us that we have to cut one picture. So the first thing we are going to do is we will cut this one burger here. Cut kar diya. Now we have to count all other burgers. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many burgers we have? 7. So what you are going to do? You will write 7 here. Clear? Now next we have is fishes. So let us first cut one picture here. So we'll put a cross on one fish like this. And now what we are going to do? We are going to count how many fish are left with us. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 fish. So what we are going to do? I'm going to write 4 here. Okay. Next we have is trophies. So when you get these trophies, when we achieve something, isn't it? जब marks अच्छे आते हैं या sports में we gain something, हम बहुत अच्छे से run करते हैं, so we win these trophies. So what we have to do first? We are going to cross one out. First we'll cross a trophy here. We have put a cross mark. Now what you are going to do? You are going to count rest of the trophies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many trophies are there? What number we are going to write here? We are going to write number 8. So this is like how we are going to write 8 here. Done? The last one we have is bats. So what we'll do? We'll count these bats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we'll do? We'll cross one. Cross kar diya. Now again we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 5 here. Understood? How you are going to do your today's work? So see, you just have to cross one picture every time and complete your work. Clear everyone? Now moving towards your homework is on the very next page, that is page number 131. Again they are saying take away one shell from each set, count and write how many shells are left. So this is the same way you are going to do your homework as I have told you your classwork. जैसे classwork में हमने एक एक picture cut किया है and we have counted, वैसे ही you are going to do your homework. And on the last page what you will do, cut 2 strands, cut 4 strands. तो उन्होंने बोला है आपको कितने cut करने हैं. Understood? तो ये जो sticks दी हुई हैं इनको cut करना है like this and then you have to count the remaining sticks. This is how you are going to finish your today's homework and classwork. Is that clear to all? Understood? So class, I hope you have understood our today's topic, subtraction. Try to do this at home. And another fun activity what you can do you can learn this topic in a playway form is, as I told you for addition, कि मम्मा कोई fruits लाती है, vegetables लाती है, just calculate, count them, add them. You can do it like this. Similarly, what you can do is, if mama is bringing apples, just take those apples, or you can say take your toys. Very good example here is your toys. आप अपने toys लीजिए and just collect them all, count them together, then distribute your toys or share them with your brother, sister, someone. Keep them aside, then count कि आपने अगर अपने कुछ toys उनको दिए तो how many are left with you. This is how you can just learn the topic, or you can keep revising your topic in a playway method. Clear? So class, please try and understand the topic, do your work. Don't forget to share your work with me. Let me see how much you are learning every day. And activities to be done under your parents' guidance. Don't do without any elder's guidance. Okay? Meet you soon with more practice related to the topic. Now it's time to start with the next class. So go and prepare for the next class. Bye all. Take care.